Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use eraser tool in Photoshop. So firstly, before you use eraser tool, you need to make sure that the layer should not be smart object. Like here you can see that it is a smart object. So we need to convert it into rasterize first. So for that, hit right click on the layer and just rasterize it. Once you rasterize the layer, only then you will be able to erase it. So just click on the eraser here. Now if you hold your left click here, you will be able to see three tools just in the eraser. Like the first is eraser tool, the second is background eraser tool, and the third one is magic eraser tool. We'll learn one by one. So let's start with eraser tool. Now here you can see that just on the top bar we have some options. Like if I open this drop down, here we have slider to increase or decrease the size of the eraser, and this slider right here is for hardness. If you decrease the hardness to something like 10% and see what are the results, you will see that the opacity of the background is still there. So if you wanna erase it completely, for that you can just set the hardness to 100% and you will see that this is like clear removal of the background. Apart from that, if you wanna set the opacity separately, for that here you have the option for opacity as well. Like if I set the opacity to 21% and try to like erase the background, you will see that this kind of effect is creating. And just like the opacity, you have the option for flow and smoothing too. Now let's learn how you can remove the background from image by using eraser. So for that you can just hold your Z key and just hold your left click and just try to zoom in and out. So let's say I wanna remove the background from this point or this area. So for that we can just decrease the size of the brush or decrease the size of the eraser to something like this, and I'll just decrease the hardness to something like 60, and now I can just easily remove this. But firstly we should increase the opacity. Okay, now we can easily remove the background. So you just need to be careful, otherwise you may accidentally remove the part of the person. So it was all about eraser tool. Now if you look at the second one, which is background eraser tool, by using this you can easily remove the background. Like let's say I wanna remove the background here, I can just move this brush over to the image just like this, and you will see that they just ignore the person. Like here you can see that they are ignoring the cap, but you can see that they have also cleared the eyes of the person. So the tool is not that perfect as you're thinking. You can see that they are also erasing the jacket, and that's not we want. Like they are pretty good in detecting the skin. Here you can see that they ignore the ears. Similarly I can just erase from this area. So the option is not that useful unless and until you have background like this. Now guys, if you look at the third tool, which is magic eraser tool, so this tool is used by many people. Like if I just tap on the area, you will see that the background is removed, as well as they have removed the jacket as well. And in order to solve this issue, let me just undo it. Okay, in order to solve this issue, you can just decrease the tolerance to something like 15. Okay, and then try it. Okay, so this is working good. Here you can see that. So this is also the best way you can remove the background by using this magic eraser tool. If you have background like this, it would be more easier for you to remove the background by using this magic eraser tool. Even I can just set this tolerance to something like 40%, and then I can just try. You can see that they are removing the background more easily from this image. And yeah guys, that's it. This is how you can use this 3 eraser tool in Photoshop. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.